we traveled to Shanghai, China to meet the co-founder of China's next big dumpling brand.
我们的目标是要走出国门的。
The restaurant, THAILAND, is famous for their xiaolongbao dumpling, which is a dumpling filled with meat and scalding hot soup. Their team folds thousands of these dumplings by hand every day. To get a job folding dumplings here, you have to already have at least 10 years of dumpling folding experience. Each dumpling must have at least 18 folds. Their most popular soup dumpling is one filled with crab. To keep up with demand, they built their own crab factory where they handpick 4,000 pounds of crab every day and employ 100 workers. The factory was built to supply their own 3 restaurants in Shanghai and nobody else. They're currently building a second crab factory with a potential overseas expansion in the US in sight.
我们的团队完全有能力去应对这个扩大发展。
The co-founder, Mr. Xiao, has been in the dumpling business for over 30 years and has perfected the soup dumpling recipe over time. The restaurant has a line out the door from the minute it opens at 8 a.m. as customers yearn to get their dumpling fix for breakfast. Other specialties include the fried pork steak and soup wonton dumplings. The restaurant manager, Jensen, is going to take us behind the scenes into the kitchen to show us how they prepare thousands of dumplings every day in order to help feed China's biggest city of over 20 million people. This is the Drunken Sommelier.
It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and we are preparing the pork meat. Actually, it's where the soup comes from in the xiaolongbao. The first step actually starts from the pig skin. We boil it, and then we clean up it.
What's like the purple?
Oh, in Shanghai, each portion of the pork will be labeled for some disaster check. And then after these steps, we put it into the hot water to simmer it. You can see the pork skin inside. Every day in the morning, we have 100 kilograms pork skin to be simmered. Then after 4 hours of the simmering, we will put it into this room, and you can see we are preparing the pork meat. So you cannot imagine. Actually, this is where the soup comes from in the xiaolongbao. The most difficult thing is the soup inside the xiaolongbao. Lots of restaurants, they use chemical things. They put it into the hot water and then it becomes a gel and then put it into the meat. So we don't do this. We just follow the traditional way. We simmer the pork skin and then wait till it turns into the gel. We need very big pig and the skin from its back. And you can see the flour here.
我们的小笼包呢，跟当初的这种小笼包呢，又有一点区别。 我们呢，因为他们是用的发酵的面团，而我们用的是死面，那个皮呢更加有韧性，更加的薄，馅更加的大。
So how do you get liquid soup inside of a dumpling? It's not by adding liquid broth, as you might think, but instead comes from the gel derived from the pork skin that liquefies when the dumpling is heated on the steamer. The gel is mixed into the meat. So this is what goes in, and this is what comes out. This traditional process of getting the gel from the pork skin takes longer and requires more manpower, which is why Jensen said that others use chemical agents that replace the function of the gel, which is faster and cheaper. Now let's watch the average speed at which they fold the dumpling. Hard to believe, but this clip is not sped up. This man here has been making dumplings for over 20 years. He knows when he's added enough water to the dough, just by its feel. He then flattens the dough out to the right thickness, before they're ready to be shaped into individual dumpling wrappers. Cuts the dough into long strips, purely by eye, no measurement. Before he's even finished cutting, the workers start to pick off the strips, which they're gonna roll out by hand. Then they're gonna start plucking off individual pieces. Again, no measuring, just muscle memory. More cutting, more rolling, more plucking.
For each piece, they will weigh it to check it's at the right weight. For each piece, it's like 7 to 8 grams. They do this very accurate.
From what I saw, they got it right the first time, every time. Then they take the individual pieces and hand roll them into the dumpling wrappers. The wrappers are now ready to be filled with meat and wrapped up with a minimum of 18 folds. And that is how you make one of the best xiaolongbao dumplings in the world. The golden question is, how do you maintain quality at such a big scale? They make around 10,000 of these soup dumplings every day, not including the other dumplings they make, like thousands of wontons.
We have 13 staffs here. It's very crowded here. And they need to prepare everything ready before 8 o'clock, like 100 baskets of xiaolongbao.
How long will it take for all to be gone?
Like 1 hour. 1 hour. So they have to prepare lots of xiaolongbao all day. So we have a very long queue from 8 o'clock when we open the restaurant. We have 2 staffs preparing the soup wonton and the rest for the xiaolongbao.
但小笼包是上海独有的，而馄饨它是另一种形式的出现。那个馄饨呢是带有汤水的，它的汤水不是在这个产品的里面，而是在外面。
This is a mushroom and a vegetable and pork inside, and also crab. Yeah, very popular. This is the most traditional soup wonton in Shanghai.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah.
the most
Yeah, this is the most popular here. In the morning, we prepare this first.
Is this more like a breakfast one or?
Yeah, more like a breakfast. Daily volume is around 500 pieces for just this one product. In the morning, she will prepare 300 pieces and then 200 pieces in the afternoon. Before each of the staff comes here, each of our staff have more than 10 years of xiaolongbao or soup wonton experience.
You have to have 10 years just to get in.
Yeah, because actually we are very busy every day. We don't need fresh staff here.
您这个做几年了？20多年了。20多年了。
And this little wonton, this is the traditional Shanghai little wonton, only pork inside. These 2 are the most popular one. Then we can have a look at the xiaolongbao. We have average of 1,000 baskets of xiaolongbao. So that's 8,000 pieces of xiaolongbao every day. So during weekend, it's double the volume. And you can see that for each of the xiaolongbao here, they have more than 18 folks. The more folks, we will taste it better. 21 folks. Most of the dim sum shops, they have less folks. We are famous for our crab xiaolongbao. We have our own crab factory, and now we handle 2 tons of crab every day.
我们去建立了自己的加工厂，所有的螃蟹只供我们上海的这3家店，因此我们的东西其实归根结底来说就是新鲜。
The crab factory, they start the job in 1 o'clock in very early morning, and then they finish the job at 10 o'clock in the evening every day. When customer order the xiaolongbao, they will steam it here. He's very skilled. The maximum basket of xiaolongbao we can steam is 60. For the big pieces, only 8 minutes. But for the small pieces, it's 10 minutes. You know why? For the small pieces, we have pork inside. For pork, we need some more time.
And he knows like which one's pork, which one's
Yeah,
crab.
exactly. He's very skilled.
But the outside looks the same, right?
Outside is almost the same.
This guy keeps track of hundreds of steaming dumplings at the same time. The minute they're finished steaming, they're taken to the customer.
For xiaolongbao, you need to taste it when it's hot. For xiaolongbao, we use it with ginger sauce, vinegar.
The soup inside is scalding hot from the melted pork skin gel. It's kinda like the difference between boiling water and boiling oil. Looks innocent, but proceed with caution.
Oh, the pork steak is here. We will season it for 3 hours and then fry it. This is our 3rd popular things in our restaurant. Xiaolongbao, wonton, then the fried pork steak. Yeah, it's a secret recipe. It's from the co-founder, Mr. Xiao. Yeah, like a family
It's
recipe.
quite old.
Very old, more than 30 years.
Can you tell me a little?
Yeah.
Off camera?
He knows the recipe. Only 2 person knows it.
Oh.
Yeah, very few.
Yeah. How many ingredients does it have?
Like 6 to 7. Salt, soy sauce, and sugar. Yeah.
That's it?
You will season it and then do some massage. For the pork steak, you need massage. We have around 200 to 300 pieces here, but it's being sold out every day. We don't leave it till night. This one is really nice. You can try later. It's very nice.
What time is it?
9 o'clock?
Oh, so it's like a breakfast?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is actually our secret soy sauce. Carrot, vegetable, another family recipe. And then we have crab noodle. It's the most expensive things here. It's 138.
用起初只有鲜肉小龙，那为什么后来会有蟹粉鲜肉小龙呢？那个随着上海开埠，那个资本家进来，然后那个做生意的人越来越多，他们的生活条件肯定会越来越好。那么我一直吃鲜肉呢，体现不出 它的高贵之处。所以很多有钱的富商呢，他们请的家里的这种厨师就动脑子，用那个螃蟹融入到这个鲜肉小龙里，效果非常的好。
How long do these like bamboo steamers last?
We only use it for 6 months because it's made from the bamboo. After 6 months, it will just be broken. It's handmade. We don't like the machine made. We have 500 baskets here and 100 for backup. Yes, the old one, the dark one.
我们呢目标是要走出国门的，但是我们现在为什么建立新厂，就是为了走出国门，扩大经营。至于厂里面呢，你说工人，现在目前有100个左右的工人在厂里面拆螃蟹，因为拆螃蟹不可能用机器去拆，它完全就是手工的，也是一种手艺吧。我们不会盲目的去扩大或者怎么样，一定要保证质量的前提下，我们才会去往前走一步。
Consider subscribing.